Hello friends, welcome back my QA Job Knowledge YouTube channel. बे भिडिअ आसाम हिस्टरिनि मोन 25 सोंनाय फिननाय लानानै फैदों। आसा खालामो नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ जोबजासिम नायलांगोन। फैदो बिदिब्ला दिनैनि सोंनाय फिननायनि गिबि सोंलुआव दङ। First question, who was the first Assamese to fight against British? सोर आसामिसआ गिबिसिन ब्रिटिशनि हेंथायै दावहा नांदोंमोन? Correct answer, option number D, गमदार कनवर. Next question, who was the first Borpukon of Assam Kingdom? Correct answer, option number C, Langi Panisia Borpukon. Next question, the name of the first Borburua of Assam Kingdom was? Correct answer, option number B, Momai Tamuli Borburua. Next question, who was the Assam king during the Battle of Itakuli? Correct answer, option number A, Godador Singha. Next question, which Assam king was now as Bogaraja? Correct answer, option number B, Surampa. Next question, which Assam Sorgodev built the temple of Umananda? Correct answer, option number C, Godador Singha. And next question, where was the first capital of the Assam Kingdom? Correct answer, option number C, Soraideo. And next question, where was the last capital of the Assam Kingdom? बे मोनथाम जायगानि गेजेराव माबे मोनसे करेक्ट आंसर जागोन? ये तिनिटा भितर कोनটো करेक्ट आंसर होबो? Correct answer, option number A, Jorhat. Next question, which Assam king built the Dodar Ali? Correct answer, option number B, Godador Singha. Next question, in which year the Battle of Soraigat was fought? Correct answer, option number B, 1671. Next question, which dynasty made their capital at Maibong? Correct answer, option number C, Kosaris. Next question, Rongor was built during the reign of? Correct answer, option number D, Promoto Singha. Next question, Mula Gaboru dead fighting again? Correct answer, option number C, Turbak Khan. Next question, who was the first Assam ruler to officially accept Hinduism? Correct answer, option number B, Joydas Singha. Next question, the Assam kingdom originated in which period of history? Correct answer, option number A, medieval. Next question, who started the first revolt against the British in Assam? Correct answer, option number A, Gomdar Konwar. Next question, when was Karangor built? Correct answer, option number C, 1751. Next question, who was now as an economist and social reformer during the Assam rule? Correct answer, option number D, Momai Tamuli Borburua. Next question, which of the following is the great work of Shankar Deva? Correct answer, option number A, Kirtan Gossa. Next question, in which year King Naranarayan died? Correct answer, option number A, 1587. Next question, the temple of Umananda is associated with the god? Correct answer, option number C, Shiva. Next question, King Biswasingha's father was? Correct answer, option number C, Hariya Mandal. Next question, which Assam king is now as Bamuni Konwar? Correct answer, option number D, Sudangpa. Next question, when did Assam entered in the Brahmaputra Valley? Correct answer, option number A, 1228 AD. Last question, Dimapur was situated on the bank of which of the following rivers? Correct answer option number A, Dhansiri. So guys, दिनैनि भिडिअ बेखिनियानो. गाइस आजिर भिडिअ माने लोगोफोर नोंथांमोना बेबादिनो आंनि QA जब नलेज चेनेलाव सोंनाय फिननायनि भिडिअ मोनबाय थागोन. नोंथांमोना गोदान जबनि सोंनायनि फिननाय मोननो थाखाय चेनेलाव गोदानब्ला चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामनानै ला. बेजों लोगोसे खाथियाव थानाय बेलनि नटिफिकेशनखौबो अन खालामनानै ला. गोजोन्थों. जय बर' हारिनि.